starting the recording. So let us see what is the exact position of point A. Information is available as the point A and point A, point B, point C and point D. All 4 points are positioned with reference to horizontal plane and vertical plane. So let us draft first vertical plane, then we should go for horizontal plane. I hope you are able to see horizontal plane and vertical plane. So the blue region is nothing but the horizontal plane and a red region is vertical plane. In Gujarati if we discuss, બે સમતલ છે, એક horizontal છે અને એક vertical છે. Okay, one which is parallel to the surface of earth and one which is perpendicular to the surface of earth. You can imagine that one. Now whatever we are seeing over here is designation of certain points. कौन सा point? Point A. For point A, data is available like this. Point A is 10 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. So it is going to be like this. I will be considering point A over here. There is some point A where it is situated. It is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. वो 20 mm VP से दूर है. I hope you are able to see it clear. Now what is going to happen if I am seeing point A and projecting it on vertical plane? मैं उस point A का projection ले रहा हूँ vertical plane पे, तो वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा मुझे projection, और वो जो intersection zone है of HP and VP वहाँ से कितना ऊपर हो सकता है? It is going to be same as the distance which had been mentioned for above HP criteria. So अगर ये HP से 10 mm ऊपर है तो उसका projection मुझे VP पे 10 mm ऊपर ही मिलने वाला है. In similar manner, if I am seeing same point from top, ऊपर से देख रहा हूँ और उसका projection ले रहा हूँ, it is going to be situated over here somewhere. And at which distance it is going to be available from VP? It is going to be 20 mm away. यहाँ से 20 mm दूर मिलने वाला है. So this is going to be 20 mm. Now, what is the designation we refer? Whenever any point is projected on vertical plane, it is going to be called with a dash. And if any point A is there, so A's projection on vertical plane is going to be called A dash. So vertical plane पे जो A का projection है वो यहाँ पे है. So this position is going to be called A dash. And any projection of point when it is projected on horizontal plane, it is going to be called with small alphabet A. So the projection available on horizontal plane is going to be called A. Now what we do exactly? We rotate the plane, horizontal plane for 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Just horizontal plane rotation in clockwise direction. तो ये जो plane है हमारे पास, you are able to see this one. Horizontal plane जो है, उस horizontal plane को हम 90 degrees clockwise rotate करेंगे. So now new position of HP is going to be over here somewhere. It is going to be over here. Now the position of point A on horizontal plane is also going to be transferred over here, and how much distance it is going to indicate when it is drafted in this way. यहाँ पे जो 20 mm का distance था वो same रहने वाला है, so it is going to be away for 20 mm and this position is going to be called A. Now how exactly we draft this one? So for that what we do, we place a reference line and it is going to be considered as XY. This is going to be the XY reference, and from XY reference we are positioning, you are able to see, point 10 mm above the reference and point 20 mm below the reference. This is going to be 20 mm and this is going to be 10 mm, and I'm connecting that one. And which are these positions? The position available over here is going to be A dash and the position available over here is going to be A. What is A dash? A dash is nothing but A point observed in elevation. And what is A? A is nothing but point A presented in plan. So what distance is it exactly indicates? It indicates that the elevation of point A is 10 mm from reference and plan of A is 20 mm from reference. This is the designation what we need to follow. Okay, so this is about point A. Now let us discuss about point B. What is the criteria for point B? Point B is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm behind VP. So let us draft it on other page. We are discussing what is the position of point B. Let us consider a horizontal plane and vertical plane. This is the vertical plane and this one is the horizontal plane. I hope you are able to see the planar criteria. This is horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. Now what is the data mentioned over here? Point B is 20 mm above HP, 20 mm behind VP. तो वो कहाँ पे मिलने वाला है? Above, behind. It is going to be in second quadrant. Over here somewhere we will be finding point B. Point B is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm behind VP. VP से पीछे है. So when I project it, as we have already said, the projection on vertical plane. Let us mention the details also. 20 mm above HP, 20 mm behind VP. So what is going to be the distance between vertical plane and the projection what we have drafted on horizontal plane? It is going to be 20 mm. So this distance is going to be 20 mm. This distance is also going to be 20 mm. Point B, when it is projected on horizontal plane, it is going to be called B, and when it is projected on vertical plane, it is going to be called B dash. तो रेफरेंस से B dash का पोजीशन कितने दूर होगा? इट इज गोइंग टू बी 20 mm. वैसे ही रेफरेंस से B का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? इट इज गोइंग टू बी 20 mm. ठीक है, अब हमारा क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है? वी आर रोटेटिंग HP बाय 90 degrees in clockwise direction. So what is going to be the new position? It is going to be over here. This plane is rotated, and when we rotate this plane, the point B is going to be taking the position over here on vertical plane. Why? Because it is rotated for 90 degrees. यहाँ से वो B point ऊपर चला जाएगा. But as we are aware that this distance is also 20, this distance is also 20, so it is taking same position what B dash had taken. So B and B dash would be available above the reference at same region, same zone. Why it is so? Because the point is in second quadrant. And how to draft that one? Let us take a reference line which is over here as XY. So take this XY. We are aware that point B and B dash both are at 20 mm. So this is going to be the position of B dash and B. कितने distance पे है? 20 mm distance पे है. तो ये रहेगा criteria. Okay, so when point is in second quadrant, this is going to be the projection which is drafted over here. Now let us discuss about point C. So the data suggests that point C is 20 mm below HP, 30 mm behind VP. Let us draft vertical plane, then have a horizontal plane. Okay, this is the reference region. Let us make it dark. Refer this intersection line of HP and VP as the reference XY. Now data suggests that point C is 20 mm below HP, 30 mm behind VP. 20 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. So this is going to be the position of point C. 20 mm below HP, HP से 20 mm नीचे है, and 30 mm behind VP. VP से 30 mm पीछे है. Okay, so when I am projecting point C after observing it from here, यहाँ से अगर मैं projection लेता हूँ तो वो projection यहाँ कहीं पे मिलेगा. वो reference से कितना नीचे है? It is going to be 20 mm. और उसका projection अगर horizontal plane पे ले तो वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा. So that projection on horizontal plane is going to be called C, and projection on vertical plane is going to be called C dash. Now what we'll do, we'll be referring this information, वो reference से कितना दूर है, I'll be going to say that it is going to be 30 mm. I hope you are able to see that 30. And now
Yes,
what
yes.
we do, we rotate this horizontal plane for 90 degrees in clockwise direction. When this plane is rotated, the position 30 mm is going to be available over here. यहाँ से वो rotate होके ऊपर चला जाएगा. So this is going to be the distance 30 mm for C. तो हमें C कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? C is माने plan or projection of horizontal plane, projection of point C on horizontal plane is going to be available above reference, and projection of point C on vertical plane is going to be below reference. So what we are going to do, we are going to draft a line. You have to take scale and draft that one. We'll be drafting a reference ड्राफ्ट करेंगे. एक रेफरेंस लाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिया. उस लाइन के ऊपर हम लोग 30 mm पे एक पोजीशन दे दें, एक 20 mm पे पोजीशन. So this particular point is going to be called C. This particular point is going to be called C dash. दोनों कितने डिस्टेंसेस पे हैं? So we'll be saying that plan of point C is 30 mm from the reference and elevation of point C is 20 mm from the reference. Plan of point C is 30 mm above reference, and elevation of point C is going to be 20 mm below reference. This is about point C. Now let us discuss about point D. Then I'll be answering your queries. Let me draft it in a similar manner what we have presented earlier. We'll be having a vertical plane and a horizontal plane, and this is going to be the reference. Okay, ये horizontal plane है और ये vertical plane है. So this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. What is position of point D? Point D is 20 mm below HP, 20 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. तो ये projection अगर आप refer करोगे, in front of VP it is 30 and below HP is 20. So this distance is going to be 20, this distance is going to be 30. Point name is D, and point D's projection on vertical plane is going to be called D dash, and point D's projection on horizontal plane is going to be called D. ठीक है, तो उसके projections को trace out करते हैं. तो ये कितना point D dash जो है वो reference से कितना नीचे होगा? It is going to be below the position for 20 mm, और ये distance कितना होगा point D का? It is going to be 30 mm. Now what we do, we rotate the horizontal plane for 90 degrees. तो अगर मैं horizontal plane को 90 degrees rotate करता हूँ तो ये जो D है, माने plan of point D is going to be situated over here somewhere. Okay, so this is going to be position of D. This was the D dash. And how we are going to project it? We are going to project it like this. We'll be using a reference line और reference line से perpendicular नीचे we are going for 30 mm and 20 mm. This is going to be the positions. और ये दो position में हमें D dash कहाँ पे मिलेगा? D dash is going to be available over here and D is going to be available over here. What are the dimensions? We'll be able to see that this is the dimension 30 units and this is the dimension 20 units. Okay, this is the projection of point D.